In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a web app in Framer. We'll walk through using Framer's built-in assistant to quickly generate a polished, responsive interface, and I'll share tips to help your results look intentional and professional. Start by opening Framer in your browser so you're in the editor. On the right side of the interface, look for the panel labeled Agent. This is Framer's AI assistant that can scaffold pages, components, and styles from a plain language description. Click Agent to open the panel and bring up the chat. Next, click Ask Framer to start a fresh conversation. You'll see a message box where you can describe what you want. Type this prompt exactly to give the assistant a clear target. Create a modern, responsive task management web app with a clean blue and white design. Include a login page, dashboard, sidebar, task list, calendar, profile, settings, and smooth animations. Being specific about style, pages, and motion helps Framer set up the right structure from the start. Click Send to submit your request. Framer will begin generating your layout and components. As it works, it may assemble multiple pages, connect navigation in the sidebar, apply a blue and white color system, and add tasteful motion to transitions so the app feels smooth and cohesive. There might be follow-up questions. The assistant could ask about details like the exact shade of blue, the preferred layout for the dashboard, or how you want tasks grouped. Answer based on your needs and keep replies concise and concrete. For example, specify a lighter or darker blue, a two-column dashboard with stats on top and tasks below, or whether the calendar should open by week or month. If you're unsure, it's perfectly fine to accept sensible defaults now and refine later. You can always clarify in the same chat using short, direct adjustments such as make the sidebar a bit narrower or use a softer animation easing. That's it. You've used Agent, asked Framer with a focused prompt, sent your request, and responded to any clarifying questions to shape a complete, responsive web app foundation.